guys. Happy Monday, guys. It's really early, a lot to do today, and I need to get started. This is what baking looks like in a tiny freaking kitchen. I bet you guys want to see where all the baking magic happens, and I'm like so stoked to show you guys my tiny kitchen. So we're just gonna like, you know, turn ourselves to the right a little bit, and boom, there's the kitchen. There it is. And then I turn this way, and that's where I roll my dough, right there. This is what it looks like when it's all clean and not covered in baking stuff. Oh shit. Okay guys, so this is where the magic happens. Yep, right here. I wish I had the exact dimensions of this space, but I would say approximately 5 feet. That's it. My stovetop literally doubles as a countertop space. Yeah, this is it. That's the baby. She's really holding up. Every time I bake with her, I have to be like, good job, baby. Seriously, guys, who needs marble countertops or gorgeous white backsplash when you have this? I think 5 feet is pushing it. That's probably I think that's right. I like kind of laid my body down. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, babe, it's not even 5 feet! What is it? 4 feet, 5 inches. Oh, shit. 4 feet, 5 inches. And then, I don't even know what you call this. Exactly 12 inches, and then where my mixer sits should be the same, should be 12 inches. Yeah, 12 inches. The space where I roll cookies out, 19 inches of rollout space. That's it. 19 by 23. Y'all with the islands, I see you. You're my goals. One day I will be there. I almost forgot to talk about this gorgeous display. So this is an extension cord connected to my KitchenAid mixer. Without this, none of this would be possible. Thank you to the person who put a plug right here when the counter is right here. I cleaned up just a little bit so I could show you guys a little bit more of my kitchen. This is the shelving that I had to set up. I got this full unit from Target, I think. Yeah, so all the baking stuff lives on that shelf. And then down here is where my cutters live. I, you know, never have time to put them away, of course, naturally. So they sit here for like 2 months and then I decide to put them away. So there's my speed rack. So when I bake cookies, I put them on this to cool because I have no other place to put them. And then I also store my pans here because there's nowhere else to put them. Same with the Tupperware. Nowhere to put it, so it lives there. That's it. I say one day I'll look back on this and be proud. Just pulled out this tray from the oven, so this is what my cookies look like fresh out of the oven. Yeah, so like the bottoms of my cookies, they're not totally pale. They do have some color. I like to have like a slight crunch on the exterior of my cookie, and then on the inside it's soft and buttery and delicious.
I'm expecting some fat buns today in the mail.
Going on an adventure, going to Marshall's. I'm on a hunt for Christmas sprinkles. I know it's only October, but it smells like poop. But yeah, gonna go look for sprinkles and maybe some other Christmas things. Goodie bag ideas for the winter class, you know.
There's lots
normal
of
cookie stuff. I found the loot. It goes so far back. Oh. So much good cookie stuff right now at Marshall's. Probably at Home Goods too. But I'm super psyched. $6.99 Wilton cookie cutter, Christmas cutter kit. That's like a steal, guys. That's a really good one.
Hello, Maddie. You need to come to this Marshalls right now and come gather your friends. They're everywhere. And they're ginormous. Oh my gosh. There's gnomes everywhere. Maddie. There's even a rainbow striped gnome. Seriously, can't get over it. It is so dang hot. Oh my god. Feels like it's July.
Just cooked up a delicious lunch, an arugula salad with cherry tomatoes, chicken, and balsamic dressing. This is all I am showing you guys for right now for what I decorated today. That's it. That's all you get to see. 5:30 p.m. wrapping up almost my cookie class samples for New York and Washington. There are just 2 more cookies I need to finish. I am running out of sunlight, and while I'm doing my samples for cookie class, I'm filming the entire process. So the second I lose my natural light, I lose work time in terms of being able to film. So I have to wrap that up for the day and wait till tomorrow. And even though there's no light, it's still so early. I hate adapting to this whole thing of crunch time during daylight. It sucks. Wintertime, I love it, but it's so frustrating sometimes for decorating and filming and content creation. But I am working on royal icing transfers. They are so adorable. So this is the royal icing template. I just made this template and printed it out, and now I am piping directly on it because I'm going to use this tray and put it in my dehydrator so that these can dry a little bit faster. And when they're fully dry, they'll just pop right off the paper. And yeah, so I'm going to pipe these beanies and call it a night. I've been getting some pretty positive feedback about these vlogs, and I just want to say thank you so much if you have reached out to tell me that you've watched them and you enjoy them and you're hoping that I do them and you're encouraging me to keep doing them. I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you. I hope you guys stick around. So I just made all these cute little beanies. They are literally so cute and so little. I haven't measured them, but they're about an inch. Oh, so cute. So that officially wraps it up for the night. I will see you guys tomorrow.